Hey, what is going on, Chargers? It's time for the way too early AFC NFL division predictions. That was a mouthful. And I was thinking to myself, maybe I should take a break from covering football. But then I honestly thought, that's dumb. I can talk about it even more. There's still more to talk about. So yeah, it's going to be AFC version of the division predictions for them, and I'll get into this really quickly. So a summary of each division, about 1 minute. So the AFC at first place is going to be the Dolphins. That's obviously a joke. The Patriots, 11-5. They're not getting too much worse. I could see a slight decline in Tom Brady, but I feel like we saw a slight decline in Tom Brady last year, if you want to call it that. But Patriots have an easy division. They'll still win a lot of their games, 11-5. They'll cruise through the division. And second place is the Jets at 5-11. I guess they upgraded a little bit, if you want to call it that, with Bell. But Ted Donald will get a little bit better in his second year. He's now used to the NFL more. But they're also still the Jets, so no. Bills 4-12. Do I need to explain this? They have no talent. And the Dolphins are 2-14 because they have no talent. Seriously, that's all I have to say. They just don't have any talent. Like, no one's on the team. Ryan Fitzmagic's not going to carry them to success. I mean, and the Dolphins are bad, and the Bills are bad, and the Jets are bad, but the Patriots are good. So, that's kind of it for the AFC. Patriots overview. Patriots will win the division easily, move on to the playoffs. The Jets, the Bills, and the Dolphins are bad. They will not move on. They will not do anything. So, on to the AFC North. This was a more interesting division to talk about. So, I'm going to start from the bottom. At fourth, with a electrifying 4-12 record, the Bengals. Because they're bad. They're bad. The only reason I'm giving them 4 wins is because they always start the year kind of okay. Like, they're 2-2. Maybe they'll pull something. No, they're not pulling anything out of the bag. Don't even think about that. I mean, their defense is just weak. They don't have good corners. Secondary is bad. Their defensive line is bad. Their offense is bad because of Andy Dalton. But on to third place. In third place with 7-9 record is the Ravens. Let me explain here. Everyone's predicting the Ravens to kind of take off, but everyone's kind of looking away to the fact that Eric Weddle, C.J. Mosley, and Terrell Suggs are gone. 3 vital parts of their defense have now been gone. Everyone now has 1 year of footage on Lamar Jackson. They don't really have any offensive talent. Lamar Jackson's running quarterback could easily snap and break his leg into 1,000 pieces. But the Ravens still have Lamar Jackson, who will do something until his leg breaks in half. They still have some type of chemistry or something going for them, like the Bengals. In the division, but the Ravens still good enough to win 7 games. So in second place, the Steelers, 10-6. So everyone's kind of, just giving up on the Steelers, but I wouldn't give them up so early. Because number one, they didn't have Bell last year, so losing him is kind of not the same as Brown. But they didn't lose a terrible part of Brown, but he also was the worst locker room person ever. He was a locker room killer. He didn't really help anything there. I mean, he did have a good season, very good season, but he hurt their chemistry. I think without him, they'll be a much more bigger team. Juju Smith-Schuster, I believe, can get the calls. Number one, Connor will obviously be an all right backup. And So on the AFC South, I'm going to go real quickly here. Jags 6-10, not really that good. They didn't improve much. The Titans will be 10-6. They kind of always in this middling ground. Same amount of talent, same kind of season. With the Colts, they'll be 10-6 as well. Again, they didn't really gain or lose much. Darius Leonard will get better. They're going to be a little bit more talented, but also in tough division, they'll go 10-6. The Texans will go 12-4 because they had a really bad start and then never lost 1 game after that. The Texans are an insane team, very talented, got a good quarterback. Defense is insane with Watt, Clowney, Tyrann Mathieu, the Honey Badger. Yeah, you think in a division of greats, they'll be the greatest. And quickly on to the last division that I'll talk about. Sorry for going quick here, but I don't have much more time. AFC West. the Chiefs will win the division at 12-4. I think that with Tyreek Hill might be in trouble, but Patrick Mahomes looks like the real deal. I think he'll go off this season. The defense might be a problem, which is why they'll lose 4 games, but the offense is going to put up the same amount of numbers. Kelsey will have a great season, take over as the best tight end in the league. On second place, Chargers 11-5. I think Philip Rivers will finally have a little bit of a decline, but the team around him is still pretty much the same. I believe one of their defensive tackles is now gone, who was a decent pass rusher. But yeah, I think that they'll be slightly worse than Chiefs, and slightly worse than last year with the start of the season. Rounding out the pack is 6-10 with the Broncos. Same team, they're not going to do much. The Raiders will get slightly better with 5-12, but also will be unnoteworthy. So I gotta end this right here, guys. Sorry for the late rush. But hopefully you guys did enjoy, and I'll see you next time. I'm out.